Natural Light and Sperry, like top sliders, like the boat shoes. They have come up with a collab kind of thing. You turn in your old shoes and they make you one of these can holders. I know. Sounds weird, right? They're calling it the Brewsie, and they're calling it upcycling your boat shoes. So if you have an old pair of shoes around that you don't really want to wear anymore, and you want to make a can holder out of them, you can send them in. Now, first of all, you can't just send them in. You've got to win. They're going to do 165. That's a nice round number. 165 winners. To enter the contest, you have to comment on their Instagram for the chance to win a chance to turn in your old shoes into one of these. And you send your old shoes in, and they take the heel part, I guess, and they put Natural Light on it, and they engrave it or print it somehow. I have so many questions. Do you just send in one shoe, or do you send a pair? If you send a pair, do you get 2 koozies back or Brewsies? You know, this supports sustainability and upcycling and stuff like that. But man, I don't know about this. This thing looks great here, but this guy's shoe looks good. Or the old shoe, the old worn shoe. I don't know that it would be. I mean, it seems like if you have a pair of shoes that you've used on a boat for any period of time, they're going to get worn in and comfortable and broken in and all that stuff. They'll be making 165 Brewsies, 55 per week over 3 weeks.
Hi, can I take your order?
55 burgers, 55 fries.
55 fries, 55 pies, 55 Cokes, whatever. So it's creative. Yeah. It's gets people involved. Yeah. Natural Light. I'm all about Natural Light. I'm a Natty Light fan sometimes. I don't know about turning my old shoes in, though. You know, we talked about something like this a couple of Father's Days ago where New Balance and Miller Lite got together and created this thing. And I tried to get one. It was the same kind of deal where you had to comment or enter a drawing every day or whatever. And I don't know how many they gave away of. I've never seen one, so I don't know how they worked out. But this thing, man, I think the shoes are going to be nasty. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it works out. I don't have any old shoes like this. And they're $80 a pair or something, 75. I mean, they're not cheap. These are not cheap shoes. So I do not know that I would be. I mean, if I had a pair of $70 shoes that were still nice, I wouldn't send them in and have them cut them up and do this. And if they weren't nice, then I don't know if I would want to see them again.